Hello everyone, welcome back to the Talk on Minds training series. Today we are looking at how banks and insurers can work together faster and more efficiently by using AI for decisions and blockchain for execution, turning bank insurance into a scalable automated growth engine. So the goal here is to understand how intelligence and automation change insurance distribution. AI helps banks identify the right customers, price risk, and detect fraud in real time. Blockchain ensures that once a decision is made, policies, premiums, and claims execute automatically without delays or reconciliation. Most bank insurance models struggle because systems don't talk to each other. Bank data, insurer systems, and compliance tools operate separately, creating duplicate data and conflicting records. Decisions take too long because humans must review everything, and this slows growth. As a result, banks miss revenue opportunities and operational costs rise as volume increases. Modern bank insurance improves across four areas. Revenue grows because AI identifies customer needs at the right moment. Costs drop as underwriting and validation move from manual work to automation. And speed increases as policies and claims settle in minutes instead of days. Risk and compliance improve because blockchain creates permanent, tamper-proof records that are easy to audit. Key idea here is separation of roles. AI focuses on thinking and deciding, while blockchain focuses on executing and recording. So AI analyzes data, produces structured decisions, and passes clear instructions forward. Blockchain then enforces those instructions exactly as written, without manual steps or interpretation. AI systems continuously analyze banking data such as transactions, balances, and live events. Models score risk, detect fraud, and recommend the right insurance products for each customer. These systems run through APIs and integrate with existing CRM and core banking platforms. So the output is simple and structured, such as risk level, eligibility, premium amount, or claim approval status. Once AI produces a decision, blockchain takes over execution. So policy rules are written into smart contracts, including premiums, coverage terms, and claim conditions. Payments or claim events trigger contract state changes automatically. External events, such as accidents or delays, are verified through trusted data sources. When conditions are met, payouts execute instantly and records are written permanently to the ledger. So you can see here that Lemonade shows this model working at scale. AI handles most policies, sales, and a large share of claims without human involvement. Underwriting decisions happen in seconds instead of days. Blockchain is used in specific products such as parametric insurance, where payouts trigger automatically based on real world data. So this combination supports rapid growth while keeping customer satisfaction high. Banks and insurers that adopt AI and blockchain gain a clear advantage in speed and cost. Teams move away from manual processing and focus on handling exceptions. So customers expect instant service and personalized offers as the norm. Regulators benefit from transparent records that simplify reporting and oversight. So Minds helps banks and insurers turn this model into reality. For banks, we design architectures that connect customer data to insurance partners through secure APIs and AI-driven targeting. For insurers, we automate underwriting, policy issuance, and claims using smart contracts and AI services. The result is faster product launches, lower operational costs, and scalable bank insurance partnerships. So thank you for watching. If you're ready to build faster, smarter bank insurance using AI for decisions and blockchain for execution, reach out to Token Minds.